Hey guys, good morning. So I pretty much just made myself a quick little breakfast sandwich. I'm making myself some coffee right now as I'm talking to you guys. I haven't had coffee in like, I want to say like 2 weeks or so. So we'll see how that goes. For coffee, what I use is this Starbucks medium roast. I use the unsweetened one. It's because I add like, my own sugar to everything. Plus my creamer does have sugar in it. So yeah, whatever. People are like, oh my God. So the creamer that I use is this one. Oh, Jesus. This one is by Silk. This is almond milk. It's dairy free. Well, almond creamer. I like to use this one a lot because, well, I'm lactose intolerant, and you know how regular milk goes with lactose intolerant people. I use that creamer, and I also do add a little bit of almond milk, regular, original, just like a little splash of it into my coffee as well. Yeah, I know, that's a lot of creamer, and I don't use a lot of creamer. I put the same amount of creamer of the coffee that I put in. And for sugar, I usually just do like 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. Today I'm going with 2. But here's the coffee. I just gotta add my ice, my whipped cream. Okay, putting some ice in here right quick. Filled her up with some ice. And now for my favorite part, the whipped cream. I don't put whipped cream in it all the time, but today I'm feeling it. I want some whipped cream up in my So we're doing the Ready Whip. This is the coconut milk one. Again, non-dairy. I love it. It tastes amazing. So here we go. There's my coffee. I'm just excited today. I'm sorry. I made myself a little fried egg sandwich. So just the egg and cheese, and then the iced coffee. I'm so excited. I haven't had this sandwich in a while. Oh, there was the yolk. Let me get a little sip of the coffee. That was perfect. So yeah, I'm home alone today because obviously the kids are in school and the boyfriend's working. I'm going to my parents' house today because they're older and they need help like cleaning the bathrooms and stuff. So I'm gonna go do that today. So maybe I'll film that while I'm there and you guys can just clean with me. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up eating my sandwich, and I guess I'll see you guys when I get to my parents. Bye. So I'm at my parents' house. I am going to clean the bathroom for them. I'm in their bathroom. My dad did this whole little wall mural years ago. I want to say my youngest was probably, I don't know, not even a year old, and he's gonna be 19 this year. So it's been up there for a while. My dad did it himself, but I'm gonna clean the bathroom for them because they are getting older, and bending down and all that jazz is not for them. So I'm gonna see if I can like clean with you guys, but the lighting here is kind of shitty, so bear with me. Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So we are eating our breakfast. We have a Dunkin' for breakfast today. The lighting in here is shitty because we are in my bedroom, and he stayed home from school because he's not feeling good today. Oh yeah, I have a refresher. I get the strawberry the strawberry dragon fruit refresher. So I gotta get my day started. I definitely need to get this hair done because it looks crazy. Is it good? Is the sandwich good? Yeah. All right, so I just got out the shower and now I'm just gonna clean up the kitchen, probably make some lunch ahead of time because it's already 11:54 and I really have to get started on my videos and my content creating. So yeah. Okay, it's time to disinfect the sink. You know what sucks with washing dishes? That. I can't stand when that happens to me. So now I gotta attack this table because what the fuck is going on? Like, so for those of you that might ask, this little rack thing I got on Amazon. It's amazing. It's worked so good for me to put my dishes on. Right now it's a little messy because I wasn't trying to play Tetris today. But yeah, like my sink area is small and I don't want to buy one of those dish drying racks and like go on the side because I feel like it would take too much space on my, you know, sink space or my little bit of counter space. So I got this, and if you're interested, I'll link it down below. Don't you worry. Guys, I am so overwhelmed. I decided to move my filming area from where I had it and to bring it into my beauty room, which this is what's behind me. But then when I had to move everything over, like, look at this mess behind me. That's all the stuff that I need to like decorate on the walls, and more wigs that I keep finding that need to like get hung up. And now they're like all knotted, so I have to like mat them, or I don't know, something, if they're able to be dematted, I don't know. But I mean, I gotta get ready for a dentist appointment. I'm gonna take a break from everything and then I'll probably start getting rid of all that, and maybe I can show you guys a finished look of everything. But I have to get ready because we have that dentist appointment, and it's so embarrassing to have this mess, but this is real shit. Like, this is things that we go through, you know? Like, 1 minute we're filming in one section of the house to now being in another, and well, I don't know what what I was thinking, but this room wasn't being used, so it became my beauty room. And yeah, so I'm sorry, I'm just trying to hurry up and get where I'm going. So I use this Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion. It's SPF 30. I use this as my SPF when I'm not applying crazy amount of makeup. Next thing I'm going to use is this right here. This is by Pixi Beauty. It's their On the Glow Bronze. I'm sorry I didn't show it for long enough for you guys to see. There we go. I just use this to bronze up the face a little bit. It's raining outside right now, so I'm just not even too worried about how I'm going to look out there. So, man, I just want to get all this cleaned up because it stresses me out. It stresses me out like crazy to even see it, to look at it. And it's been like this for a few days because again, it was a lot. It's a lot that I'm moving in here now. So when I can show you guys, I will. But right now, it's you guys are gonna see the mess pretty much for right now until it's done. So yeah, I'm just rushing really quick to get ready. Our appointment is for 4 o'clock and it is 2:51. But yeah, I'm always like last minute. I wasn't gonna put anything on my face because I'm like, oh, I'm going to the dentist, but I also don't want to look like I just rolled out of bed either. I showered and just threw anything on because I'm like, I'm just going to see the dentist. I'm not going anywhere special, but I don't like going out with my face looking crazy anymore. I don't. Next thing I'm going to go in with is this for my brows. This is by the Balm. It's called Brow Pow. I like this powder a lot for my eyebrows. And I should have used a spoolie to brush through my eyebrows, but I'm just going to use my fingers right now because we are in a rush. I'm just going to lightly brush through them real quick. And I just go like this. And I do fix them up a little bit until they don't look so crazy. I just run my fingers through like this really quick. Or even just grab a spoolie. I just found one and I just run it through. I'm sorry, this is in the shade dark brown. I forgot to tell you guys what shade it was. I know sometimes you guys are like, oh, what shade that is. This is in Rich Glow. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go back to this. This is in Rich Glow and it's their tinted moisture stick. And then for mascara, I just go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. This is an OG. This is pretty much the only drugstore brand mascara that I can use because the other ones make me have like a weird reaction. So I just don't use them. I stay away from them. Like Maybelline, I cannot use. I've tried it many times and always have like this weird reaction, so I stick to the L'Oreal. I'm sorry about background noise if you guys hear Lucas like being loud or whatever. I'm just like really close to the living room and he has the TV full blast and he's home. They have the day off today. It's teacher's work day, so I can't vlog and it be quiet. But I decided to start vlogging again, you guys, because I don't know, I've been trying so hard to do all the social medias because that's what everyone was using, like TikTok and stuff like that. But guys, it's so hard to like keep up, honestly, with all these social medias. It's so hard. And especially when you're like a person who has a family and you have to spend time with your kids and all that stuff. You don't have time to be on social media all day uploading stuff and videos, and yeah, I just don't have the time for it. So I do what I can. And I feel like I've been doing vlogs. I started doing vlogs because I enjoy editing vlogs. I don't know, it's just so much quicker and easier to edit compared to like beauty videos and stuff. I mean, I am still gonna do some beauty videos. I will still do it like little get ready with me. So I fucked up and stuff like that. But I just feel like I'm not gonna sit there and just focus on one thing. You know, I'm gonna do a little lifestyle, a little bit of everything, because I'm a mom and I just want to show like what really is or what really goes on in the household besides, you know, social media. Like, we like to spend time as a family, we take trips places, we go see, I don't know, like just different things, like, you know what I mean? It's not always about like what we buy or what we spend money on and stuff like that. So I don't know, I want YouTube to be fun again for me. I think it got to a point where it wasn't fun anymore because it's like I had to follow trends. I felt like I had to follow trends and do what everyone else was doing. But from here on out, I'm doing what I feel, what I like. And I mean, if you guys want to continue following me on this journey, then, you know, thank you. If you don't, I understand. But yeah, I'm going to throw on some loose powder on just to set my face, because if I don't set it, my face gets kind of oily. And then from there, I think I'm just gonna get off and we're gonna go to our dentist appointment because Lucas has been complaining about his teeth hurting. Every time he eats, he complains that his teeth hurt. So, and it's his molars, so I don't know if it's the gum around the molar or if he's just lying because he doesn't want to eat what's given to him. He's been on this kick where he wants to eat out, and we're not having that here, baby. We're not having that here. So yeah, we're gonna get that checked out. And plus it's our 6 month, I don't know if you would call it cleaning, checkup, whatever, cleaning. I'm gonna go with cleaning. It's our 6 month cleaning. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put some earrings on and get ready to go. All right, it's raining. We left the dentist. Got the goodie bag. Oh.